Alright guys, moving on to the plastics for the gas tank. We'll get these decals off with the heat gun, and then this one here has a chunk missing out of it. It's supposed to look like that. So what I did is I went on Amazon and I just searched for ATV yellow fender or something like that, and I came up with this. It looks like it's for a Honda CRF 50. I think it was like 20 or 30 bucks. So the plan is I'm gonna cut a chunk out of this and then plastic weld it using my welder to fill this gap in. All right, so let's get these decals off. That's what it looked like in '84. All right, got our decals off, and here is the plastics kit. So I just need to find a section that I can cut out to fill in right here. And I'm thinking if I just cut a notch out right here out of this piece, try that. Alright, got a piece cut out here. It looks like it'll work. And what I'll do is I'll take some tape and kind of tape it in place like this, and then trace it from the back side as a template. Alright, got it traced out. Go ahead and cut it out. It's pretty close. I'll just trim it up a bit to make it fit in a little better. This corner right here is not really going in. Alright, so I'm pretty happy with this. With the welder, we'll kind of smooth this in so it doesn't have to be perfect. But that'll get us pretty close. Okay, so I got it pretty much on there. And now I'm taking this black filler rod that I got from Harbor Freight, and I'm just kind of trying to reinforce it better instead of using just the plastic scrap. Maybe this stuff might be a little bit stronger. Alright, so this is what we ended up with. That's the front, and then on the back I used some of that black filler rod. It seems pretty strong, but I don't want to quite test it yet. So let's sand this down and see how it looks. Alright, let's try sanding this. I'm just gonna try dry sanding here. Alright, let's see if we got something better to do this. Alright, I got this flap wheel. Let's see if that works any better. Alright, pretty happy with that. It looks fairly smooth. I think the paint will kind of fill in a little bit. Okay, let's finish sanding the rest of this. Alright, got it all sanded and wiped down. And this outline's here because I think the actual mold, that's the way the mold is from the factory, because it's raised up. So that's why you can still see where the decal was. Alright, let's see if this works now with this primer. Yeah, I'm gonna have to wipe right here. It's getting a little orange peely again. Alright, it's all primered up. Had to redo this spot a couple times, but it turned out pretty good. Alright, let's try to get some yellow on this. Alright, I'm going to do a light coat and let that sit for a few minutes. left side is all done. Got the clear coat on. Looks like it turned out decent. Alright, so I got the decals on, and that's how it turned out. Not show quality by any means, but you know, it's a 10 or 15 footer. So now all I've left is the headlight bezel and the front fender to paint. Alright, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one.